Hi, I'm Greg, and today I'm excited to introduce Bergen Cable's safety cable system. Safety cable is a secondary fastener retention method that offers significant advantages over traditional techniques such as Lockwire. In high vibration environments, safety cable ensures critical components stay securely fastened. Let's start with a little history. In 1987, we teamed up with GE Aerospace to develop safety cable to solve a long-standing aerospace maintenance problem, that is, Lockwire. Lockwiring fasteners is laborious, skill-dependent, prone to errors, and known for causing workplace injury. Enter safety cable, a solution constructed from pre-cut and fused cable with specialized tooling that provides consistent tension terminations. In addition, safety cable provides 2 times faster installation, virtually eliminates FOD, reduces injuries, and improves ergonomics by eliminating sharp edges and removing repetitive twisting. The safety cable application tool is precision engineered to tension, crimp, and trim safety cable. An adjustable rotary wheel applies consistent tension, making the process tool dependent and repeatable. The tool is also equipped with a 360-degree rotating nose. Noses are available in 3, 5, and 7-inch lengths. Safety cable kits consist of stainless steel cables and ferrules. Each cable is fused on one end and features an end fitting on the other end, allowing them to easily route through a fastener until it seats against the fitting. Kits are available in 9 inches to 24-inch lengths and 22, 32, and 40-thou-inch cable diameters. They are manufactured from 3 materials to meet a wide range of applications. Each material provides a unique advantage, such as high temperature performance and non-magnetic applications. For superior corrosion resistance, Inconel 625 is readily available. Safety cable kits include 50 cable assemblies and 50 ferrules, and both components can also be purchased separately if needed. Alright, now let's get to the fun part, installing safety cable. Step 1. Route the cable through fasteners in a neutral or positive direction. Step 2. Insert the cable through the ferrule and pull the cartridge to release the ferrule. Step 3. Feed the cable into the nested side of the tool nose until the ferrule is seated within the nose. Step 4. Wrap the cable under the tension wheel and rotate the wheel to tension the tool. Step 5. Close the handles completely to terminate the cable. Remember, the safety cable system is designed for retention and not torquing. The safety cable system requires minimal maintenance, however, regular verification is recommended. We offer a complete line of equipment designed to maximize the tool's performance and longevity, including the torque block and wrench, the push tester, gripped cutters, and the electric load tester. First, install the safety cable onto the torque verification block. Use the TW-150 torque wrench to apply the proper pull-off load shown on the block's label. Remove the torque when the minimum pull-off load is achieved. Do not apply additional tension. Next, use the SCTD-013 push force tester to apply 2 pounds of force to the cable. If the cable breaks, pulls out of the ferrule, or touches either side or bottom surface of the test area, the tool requires Indenter Adjustment. Alternatively, you can use a BCT-MPT-250C electronic pull tester to accurately determine the tensile pull-off values. This tester is compatible with the 22, 32, and 40-inch thou cable. Tool calibration is recommended regularly, especially after removing or changing noses. Now, let's focus on the tool indenter adjustment. It's a simple process. Begin by removing the nose assembly by unscrewing the 832 socket head cap screws. Unlock the jam nut using a spanner wrench and adjust the pushrod adjustment screw with a 1/4 inch straight edge screwdriver. Loosen the crimp by turning the pushrod adjustment screw clockwise. Turning it counterclockwise will tighten the crimp. After each adjustment, tighten the jam nut screw using the SCT-32084 tool. Use a screwdriver to keep the adjustment screw stationary while making the adjustment. Reinstall the nose assembly and complete the tool verification steps again, and repeat as needed. Now that you've seen how safety cable is installed, maintained, and verified, let's take a look at the industry standards and qualifications that make it a trusted solution across aerospace, defense, and other high reliability applications. All safety cable products are manufactured in accordance with SAE AS 4536. The application tools are compatible with safety cable kits identified in SAE specifications AS 3509, AS 3510, and AS 3511. Safety cable is qualified by National Aerospace Standards, SAE specifications, OEM standards, and the U.S. military standards. For more information, click the iCard or the link in the description to learn more. If you'd like a live demonstration, assistance with ordering, or calibration and repair support, we're here to help. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on our other social media to stay up to date. Thanks for watching!